ability to cooperate with ice that has been left for one day. It's because I, put one of my toys in here, so it merged with the ice. And what are we gonna do? Try to melt it.
So what are we gonna do?
Trying to melt it. Look, see?
Oh.
Now, that's how you melt it.
So you put your toy
In the ice.
on the.
Basically filling it with water. Here, take a look. I'm melting it. This is crazy.
So you put your toy in the refrigerator?
Yeah. And it was good. You mean the freezer?
Oh yes, the freezer.
So it merged with the ice and it became one.
Now.
Ow. It won't function because it's frozen.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the movie reference name. Frozen 1, Frozen 2, Frozen 3, 4. I can't even press the button. Oh, here, some rusted metal.
I think it's gonna be a long time
Melting
to
this.
melt it. Yes.
It's because it's big. I already melted some of it.
Oh.
Now let's melt it. I call this phase. This is phase 4. Hi guys again. This is phase 5, or I call it phase 6. Want some on your leg?
No.
Hi viewers, I'll even give you a little kiss.
Smooch, smooch.
Ew. Hiya.
How many minutes?
Let's just edit the SpongeBob hour cards like 2,000 years later. So
It's already 5 minutes, I guess. No, it's more than 5 minutes. 6 or 7 minutes already.
We got drained the water. Oh my god, the water's cold. Touch it. No? Well, okay, I'll give
Of course it's cold. It's the ice.
It's
What do you
ice.
mean?
It's so cold. You know SpongeGar? You know
No.
SpongeBob? There's
Yes.
SpongeGar.
What is that?
Here, do you know Primitive Sponge?
No.
Primitive Sponge is the oldest ancestor of SpongeBob SquarePants. You know what? He holds a jellyfish, and then you know what? Primitive Sponge holds the jellyfish, and the jellyfish electrocutes him multiple times, and then it was like this. Like
What's that?
it's primitive sponge behavior. And when Squidward plays the clarinet, you know what?
No.
There's primitive sponge and primitive star. They become irritated because they're oldest.
So how's the toy? Melting already?
It's phase 7. That means it's just some percent left. And there's SpongeGar, which is, many generations later, there's SpongeGar, which has a language system and is more advanced than Primitive Sponge and Primitive Stock. Because they had a language system, SpongeGar and Patar and Squog had a language system. It was like this. SpongeGar was more advanced than Primitive Sponge. It's because SpongeGar had this development of clothes, a language system, and big brains, but not that big. It's Squog, which is
No, I don't know.
Squog is basically an ancestor of Squidward.
Okay.
Squog makes art like this, normal Squidward.
How's the toy?
Oh, this is phase 8.
Okay.
Look! I snapped. I broke the ice from the toy.
So the toy is now free.
Yay! inside these small sections. I mean, like the armpits. So, when you press the button, you can't. Because
Oh.
there was a little bit ice here that I couldn't get out, so I relied on water. Of course, water. This water is warm, by the way. Ah! That's cold.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's because it's so hot in here. So the water's getting warm.
Ah, the water's cold now. Oh, look at see? I put them in the bucket of water, and then they became this.
It's melting already.
This is phase 11.
How many paste? 11 paste?
Yeah, no, honey.
Ah,
No, there's only 13. There's only 14 phases.
14 paces?
Yeah.
No. So now it's on what paces?
This is phase 12. Oh, no, just kidding. It was phase 11.
No, it's already melted.
Oh, it's phase 12 now. Oh my God! Come on. The water's cold.
Ah, okay.
Ah! Wait, here, look.
Why?
The, the bigger ice cube.
Yes.
This could be perfect for a juice.
A juice?
Yes, juice. Ice.
Oh, I want juice.
Like the summer icy juice. And
What? And what's your favorite juice?
Mango. And orange.
And
And blueberry.
there is no blueberry juice.
Make it by yourself.
Huh?
Make it by yourself. And look at this ice.
We cannot find blueberry in here. Come
Look,
on. Where?
look at this ice. It kind of looks like a tooth.
Eh, show your teeth.
Oh my God!
Hey, show your teeth. Ah.
Wait!
What?
Look. Look at this.
So, it's the end of the melting experiments.
No, this is phase 13.
What do you mean it's already end?
Oh, this is phase 13. That means it's almost the end. No, this is phase 12. This thing is phase 13. I got a bit of dirt in my nails. Sorry.
So it's
Look. See, it's so small.
okay.
This kind of looks like a dinosaur tooth. Right?
I think dinosaur tooth is much
Big.
more bigger.
Megalodon tooths are just bigger. Sometimes they can reach up to 7 inches.
Really?
Yeah. And they are worth so many dollars. Don't expect if you find a megalodon tooth in your freezer, and it's just a small one. I know that it only costs 1,000 grand or
Okay.
$900 US. Bye. Sekarang edit yang 2,000 years later dong.
See you.
See you. Bye. Oh, this page 14. Good.